So hey guys, today we'll be starting with questions on profit and loss. So this is an important topic which is quite asked in all of the exams that you have come across. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first question is, so before starting with the questions, I want you to remember some of the basic concepts that are based upon on simple on profit and loss. SP stands for selling price, CP for cost price. So basically, for example, using this question, I'll explain the concept. So for example, in this question, a digital diary is sold for rupees 935. So the selling price is 935 and the cost price we don't know, and profit is 10%. What would have been the actual profit or loss if it had been sold for rupees 810? So for this to calculate this, first we need to calculate the cost price. So I'll be telling you about the simple trick or the simple shortcut that you can follow to find the cost price in all these type of questions. So simply, for example, if the factor of 10% is given, for example, let the cost price be X, and the question says that the profit is of 10%. That means the selling price is simply 1.1 times X. And for example, if the question had mentioned the loss was of 10%, so assume the cost price to be X, the selling price automatically becomes 0.9 X. Same is the case for 20%. If X is the cost price, then 1.2x will be the selling price. And for 20% loss, if X is the selling cost price, then 0.8x will be the selling price. So in this question, to calculate the cost price, we just simply need to divide 935 by 1.1. So the cost price comes out to be rupees 850. So had it been sold for rupees 810, you can simply see that the loss would be of around rupees 40. So the answer to this question is option 2. Moving on to the next question. By selling bouquet for rupees 63, so a florist gains 5% profit. It is given as 5%. Selling price is given as rupees 63. So at what price should he sell the bouquet to gain 10% on the cost price? So first calculate the cost price. This you can simply do by taking a factor of 1.05. This comes out to be rupees 60. And now they are asking that at what price should he sell. That means they are asking me the selling price. Profit is given as 10%. Profit is nothing, but simply profit is basically the gain is nothing. Gain percentage, you can simply calculate it by profit divided by cost price into 100. So the profit, the gain is given as 10. Profit you can calculate cost price into 100. Cost price is 60 into 100 is equal to gain. So from here profit comes out to be 6 rupees. So to calculate the selling price minus cost price is equal to profit. So selling price is equal to P plus CP. The value of P is rupees 60, CP is 6. So the value of selling price comes out to be rupees 66. So option A is the correct answer. Now moving on to the next question. A shopkeeper bought 240 chocolates at rupees 9 per dozen. A dozen means 12 items. Simply. So you can simply understand the first statement as 12 items or 12 chocolates cost is rupees 9. So the cost of one chocolate is 9 by 12. That is nothing but 3 by 4, or you can say it as rupees 0.75. If he had sold at rupees 1 each, so first calculate the value of cost price. If the cost of one chocolate is 3 by 4, and this comes out to be 4 6 24 rupees 180. Now the selling price, if chocolates are sold at rupees 1 per chocolate, so the selling price is rupees 240. So the profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price upon cost price into 100. So the value of selling price is 240 minus 180 divided by 180 into 100. So this comes out to be 60 divided by 180 into 100. So after calculating the value, this is 1 by 3, we will get option 2. Now coming on to the next question. The next question states that a coal merchant makes a profit of 20% by selling coal at rupees 20 per quintal. So the selling price of 1 quintal according to the question is nothing but rupees 25. So if he makes a profit of 25%, so the cost price would be nothing but 25 divided by 1.2, and that is nothing. It comes out to be 20.833. And now they are asking if he sells the coal at 22.5 per quintal. That means this is the SP, new SP. So what will be his whole profit percent on the new investment? So you can simply calculate the profit by selling price minus cost price upon cost price into 100. So selling price is 22.50, cost price is 20.830 upon cost price into 100. So after